Today we're fixing a sweater. We have this large hole that needs to be patched up, this small hole that needs to be closed, and on the other end, I'd like to reinforce the threads. Some of them are breaking. I have my patch, which we will place inside the garment and secure it. If you have sewing needles, that's great. However, I'm just gonna use double-sided tape because it's what I have available. Then prepare your thread by tying a knot on the end, and then start making rows by going up and down through the garments. Continue to make rows like this until the patch is bonded with the sweater. Then tie a knot to finish off your sewing pattern. Remove the tape and trim the edges of the patch. On the other end, we will now reinforce the garment by sewing a simple cross pattern. The result is this nice, eye-catching detail to your garments. For the final hole, I will make a zigzag sewing pattern. We're now done, and have given our unique sweater some nice details. These are some other sweaters I've fixed before. However, these are done with the embroidery machine instead of by hand. If you also have damaged garments like these, don't throw them away. Instead, fix them. Design your own unique clothing patterns. Also, explore other possible binding methods besides sewing, patching and embroidery, like felting, using heat to get nice inspirations for torn clothes.